After a long marriage ends, there's often a shock to the system. Your routines are gone, your identity feels unstable, and your future feels a little shaky. And suddenly, the silence can feel very loud. So, a lot of people start dating because they want relief from the quiet, from the uncertainty, from not knowing who they are just yet in this new chapter. And they want the discomfort to stop. But the biggest mistake people make when they start dating, particularly after a gray divorce, isn't choosing the wrong person. It's starting for the wrong reason. And here's the trap. When you date to stabilize pain, you don't choose from a place of security, you choose from a place of urgency. You can overlook red flags. You can attach too quickly. You can confuse emotional intensity with emotional safety. You don't ask, is this aligned? You ask, does this make it hurt less? And for a little while it does. But then months later, you realize you're not just healing from the divorce anymore. You're healing from the relationship you used to escape the divorce. Dating after gray divorce shouldn't be about proving you're still desirable because, yeah, you still are. So make it about knowing who you are before you invite someone new into your life. Not perfect, not finished, but grounded. Grounded enough to notice red flags. Grounded enough to move slowly. Grounded enough to choose from stability instead of insecurity. The goal here is to date from steadiness. The relationship you build after gray divorce isn't just about who you choose. It's about who you are when you're doing the choosing. Thanks so much for watching.